A typical return ticket from my home cost around 15,000 DKK. When I realized that, something clicked, because that money could literally send me to Asia twice. But the price wasn't the worst part. The worst part was how I always felt when I went home. Every single time I felt sad. Not rested, not fulfilled. Just pulled away from a life I wasn't ready to leave yet. A return ticket feels safe on paper, but emotionally it's stressful. You are watching money disappear on something that isn't even an experience. It's just a forced ending. My mom thinks backpacking and one-way tickets are irresponsible, and I understand why she thinks that. But for me, a one-way ticket is the only thing that makes sense. A return ticket forces you to come back, even when your feelings aren't done, even when your body is tired of rushing, even when your curiosity wants more time. With that return ticket, something lifts off my shoulders. I can move slowly, I can stay longer, I can leave earlier, and I can change my mind. I move country to country usually slowly, and every time I had a deadline, a fixed return or outbound ticket, I felt rushed, exhausted, and disconnected. I even had to buy outbound tickets just to enter countries, choosing destinations I wasn't ready for yet, paying more than I should have, and ending up somewhere with bad weather or bad timing. That's the irony. Return tickets and forced plans actually cost me more. I don't backpack because it's fun. I backpack because it's free. Free to be alone, free to be with people, free to listen to myself. Buying a one-way ticket felt strange at first, but mostly felt happy, like I was doing something right for myself. I proved to myself that a one-way ticket is just as normal as a return flight. The difference is cheaper, and it lets me choose myself first.